Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with ShareASale, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect with ShareASale, start by visiting their official website. Look for the sign up option on the homepage. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. Fill in the required information in the application form. Provide your name, email address, and website details. Make sure to create a secure password for your account. Read and agree to the terms and conditions before proceeding. Submit your application for review. Wait for a confirmation email from ShareASale. Once you receive the confirmation, click on the link provided in the email. Log into your new ShareASale account with your credentials. Explore the ShareASale dashboard to familiarize yourself with the layout. Locate the Merchants tab to find available affiliate programs. Use filters to narrow down your search based on your niche. Click on a program that interests you to view more details. Review the program's terms, commission structure, and promotional materials. If you choose to join the program, click the Join Program button. Complete any additional information requested by the merchant. Once approved, access your affiliate links and promotional materials. Start promoting the products on your website or social media. Monitor your performance through the ShareASale dashboard. Utilize reporting tools to track clicks and conversions. Adjust your strategies based on performance metrics for better results. Reach out to ShareASale support if you encounter any issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.